Welcome students. Today we are going to learn math subject and the topic is find the difference. Find the difference means difference is दो चीज़ अलग अलग कैसे हैं या दो पिक्चर अलग कैसे हैं वो हमें बताना है. ओके, नाउ लुक हियर. दिस इज द पिक्चर which is in your textbook. Okay, now we can see here girl, boy, birds, butterfly, ball. Yes or not? So now we will find the difference between these two pictures. So now tell me which differences are here. Yes, in this picture we can see here that the boy is in front of the girl in the first picture. Yes or not? Now the boy is in front of the girl in the first picture, and in the second picture we can see that the boy is behind the girl. The boy is behind the girl. This is first difference. Okay, now in the first picture here the boy wore orange color pant, and in the second picture the boy wore yellow color pant. So it's a second difference. Then here in the first picture the ball is big, and in the second picture we can see here the ball is small. Now look butterfly. In the first picture, where is butterfly? In the first picture, butterfly is over the ball. Over the ball. And look, in the second picture, the butterfly is beside the ball. Beside the ball means बाजू बॉल के बाजू में, और ऊपर के चित्र में हमें दिखाई दे रहा है कि वो बॉल के ऊपर है. This is also one difference. Okay, now look here. We can see birds here. In the first picture, here are two birds, and in the second picture, how many birds are here? Yes, here are four birds. Okay, now in the above picture, meaning in the first picture, here is one flower of orange color, and in the second picture here is no one flower in the second picture. Means we find the differences between these two pictures. क्या किया हमने? दो पिक्चर में क्या क्या अलग बात है वो हमने देखी. मीन्स वी फाइंड द डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन दिस two picture. Okay, now I will give the two more examples of finding the differences. Okay, now look here. What is here? Here are bear and her baby. Yes or not? Now mother bear and a baby bear. Now look here. We will find the differences between these two pictures. Okay, now first difference is in the first picture the mother bear is silent. मुंह बंद है उसका, है कि नहीं? लेकिन in the second picture the mother bear laughing or say something. पहले पिक्चरों में चुप है, दूसरे पिक्चरों में कुछ तो भी बोल रही है या फिर हंस रही है कि नहीं? जो मदर बियर है शी इज लाफिंग और सेइंग समथिंग इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर. देन नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस. नाउ लुक एट द शेप ऑफ स्काई. इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर द शेप ऑफ स्काई इज लॉन्ग, एंड इन द second picture we can see the shape of sky is so small, and The next difference is honeybees. In the first picture, we can see 3 honeybees. And in the second picture, we can see here are only 2 honeybees. This is also difference. ऊपर के चित्र में 3 honeybees है and नीचे 2 honeybees है. Now we will find the next difference. Now here is hills or mountains also. So the mountains color is green in the first picture, and in the second picture the mountains color is white. Here the mountain is white. Means this is the difference between these two pictures. Now we can see flower beside the mother bear. In the first picture we can see flower. In the second picture we can see flower beside the baby bear. And in the first picture there is no one flower. And in the second picture we can see flower. Means here is the difference of flower. Now look here. Baby bear didn't touch the big bear in the first picture. Now look that the baby bear didn't touch the mother bear. But in the second picture we can see here the baby bear touched the mother bear. He hold mother bear's hand. This is the difference. In the first picture it's not touched the baby bear, and in the second picture it touched the mother bear. Okay, now look here. Here is a big plant or grass in the first picture at the downside of tree, and in the second picture we can see here only small grass downside of tree. Okay, now look the stones. Here are stones also. In the first picture we can see only one stone downside the picture. पिक्चर के नीचे देखना है, वहाँ पे आपको एक ही स्टोन दिखाई दे रहा है. But in the second picture here are 2 stones. Here are 2 stones. So these are the differences between these 2 pictures. Now look here. Behind the mother bear, behind means पीछे, mother bear के पीछे, here are 5 trees. 5 tall trees are here. But in the second picture we can see here behind the mother bear, here are only 4 pictures. How many trees are here? Only 4 trees pictures. Means this is also difference. In the first picture we can see 5 tall trees, and in the second picture we can see only 4 trees pictures. Okay, so these are the differences between these 2 pictures. Now look here. What is here? Crocodile, coconut tree, crab, starfish, then water, stones, and they all circle the differences. Now here circle 2 differences. Now look here. In the first picture we can see the teeth of crocodile, but in the second picture there is no teeth. Now also they circle the leaf of coconut trees, and in the second picture here is a cutted leaf. पहले पिक्चर में हमें लीफ दिख रहा है, लेकिन सेकंड पिक्चर में लीफ कैसा है? कटेड, कट हुआ है. Now the third difference here we can see circle around the stone. स्टोन के साइड में सर्कल है कि नहीं? फर्स्ट पिक्चर में. And then in the second picture we can see that there no one stone. Here is no one stone, means this is the third difference. Now we can see the crab in the first picture, but here is no one white color under the crab. And in the second picture we can see here white color under the crab, means these are the differences. These are differences. I hope you all enjoyed and understand this fun learning of this topic. Find the difference. Now your HW is find out and circle the differences between the pictures of textbook. Okay, page number 6, and you have to circle the differences. Okay, thank you. Bye.